Do you struggle to teach people how to use software, or maybe you want to demo software in the future? Well, you're in luck because Layerpath will allow you to do just that, and they are AppSumo's deal of the day. This video will teach you how to use the tool to create interactive demos that look professional and that people will actually want to follow, and you can grab it for a lifetime deal right now. To make sure I don't miss any Black Friday deals, I've been adding all the AppSumo Black Friday deals in this Notion spreadsheet, including tons of other Black Friday SaaS deals as well. Today, I added Black Friday deals from Blitzit and also Divi. Now, if you want access to this Notion doc so you don't miss anything, click the link in my description and fill out the form for free access to my best Black Friday SaaS deals Notion spreadsheet. Now, Layerpath is AppSumo's deal of the day. Now, this lifetime deal is tied to all future professional plan updates. Keep in mind that monthly credits do not roll over into the next month. So you will have to use up all of your credits during that monthly cycle you are in. Now, this time they're introducing a tier 4 for higher limits. And now all the tiers have users as well. With tier 1, you do have 1 user, and with tier 2, your limits increase and you unlock some additional features, and you unlock the most features with tier 3, and if you want additional limits, then you would need to upgrade to tier 4. Now, I think this AppSumo deal is pretty generous. So we are tied to the professional plan on their website, but we actually get access to tons of features under their growth plan that's $59 per month. Like, for example, we get video editing, advanced branching, and if we go to the AppSumo deal, we get access to the video editor and advanced branching from tier 2 and higher. And if you get tier 3, you get the very important custom domain as well. Now let me show you all of these features right now. So this is the Layerpath backend. So basically this tool records your screen and it turns it into an interactive demo that you could share with anyone online, including your customers, so they know exactly how to use certain software that you are educating them on how to use. So to start, you would need to click on New Project. You can upload a video from your library, from your computer, or record with the extension. So let me try that right now. Then we just need to select the tab we want to record. Let's record this ClickFunnels tab. So I want to record a demo of how to use ClickFunnels. So I'm going to click on the Layerpath browser extension. And what's really nice is that you can actually resize this window for desktop, laptop size, or mobile size. And what's unique is that it does not record the tabs up here. It only records the actual screen that you are working on, and it resizes it to these very nice dimensions. So once you set your dimensions, just click on Start Recording, and all you need to do now is start using the tool. So let's just say I want to teach people how to change this call to action button. So I'm going to click on this Settings button, then scroll down, then click on this background section. And let's just say I want to change this button color to green. Okay, so now we have a green button instead of that orange button. Then I'm going to click on Save. Okay, so that is what I wanted to teach. Now I'm going to click on the Layerpath icon right here, then click on Finish Recording. Okay, so Layerpath will turn that recording into 3 different types of demos. We have the tour, the guide, and we also have the actual video. Now let me show you how the tour demo looks like. So you can share this tour page with anyone. So they would click on Launch Tour and they could basically follow along according to where you clicked in the recording. So it says click here, so you would click there, then click here, so you would click there, then lastly click on the Save button. So that is the tour that you can share with anyone. And let me show you the guide. Okay, so this is a step-by-step guide. So you could consider this like a landing page maybe, and this page has all the steps on what they would need to do to use your software. So the first step is to click on this orange section, and then the next step would be to click on this green color right here. And then the last step would be to click on Save. Keep in mind that you can edit any of these demos as well. So if you want to edit this guide, just click on Edit and you can change your instructions, add a description for each part of your guide. And you can even duplicate a slide or edit it even further by cropping it. You can redact certain things that you want to keep private, like maybe this, you could redact that. And you can also annotate certain sections as well. So maybe I want to annotate this, add an arrow here, and add a text. I can move it anywhere I want and design it further as well. So a really great way to annotate anything, then click on save. Okay, so this is my edited image for the first step. So really easy to edit any step of your guide. And you can also share a video as well. So you have the intro, your actual demo, and you have the outro, so the call to action. So let me edit the main demo part. If you have tier 3 or higher, you can do these really cool tilt animations, these really nice 3D effects. You can also change the layout as well, like the gradient, the stroke weight, spacing, so on and so forth. You can also add audio to make it less boring. Okay, so this is the ambient audio background music. So let's add that one. And there's additional effects as well. You can add additional zooms, add more of that tilt effect. You could redact certain information. And this is part of tier 3 and higher as well. So if you want to redact something, you could just move this box and then just cover the text you want to redact. And then you could see that in this preview right here. And there's also AI as well. So you could use the AI generated voiceover. You could also record your own voiceover and upload it. But let me show you the generated AI voiceover. So you can choose from a different language and different voices as well. Okay, so the AI voiceover was generated. Now, this is the script that it created, but let me change it so it's more accurate. So for this first part, I'm going to say click on the orange button, then click on generate AI voiceover. Okay, so it was generated. Now I'm going to move it where the click happens, and I'm going to click on this second part and update the script, and I'm going to do it for the rest of the clicks. Okay, so my AI voices are edited. So we have our main recording, our AI voiceover, our clicks, and we have our rotation that I added for the beginning of this demo video, and we have that blur that we added as well. Now I actually want to add another click where I'm clicking on the orange button. So I'm going to click right here and move this zoom level right here. Okay, so we added another click to highlight me clicking on this orange button. Now, of course, we might need to make some additional tweaks to this demo video, but let me play it for you right now.
Click on the orange button. Then click the color options. Once you have changed the color, click on Save.
Okay, so that is how the demo video looks like. Of course, we will need to make some additional tweaks just to make it perfect for our users. Of course, you can edit the intro right here, change the title. You can also upload an image from your computer, change the logo size. You can decide where you want the logo to appear. You can change the font size, the color, so on and so forth. And let's just say we don't like this background. We could always change it to something else, like maybe this one, or just change it to a static color like this. And then the last part is the call to action. So we can say learn more at clickfunnels.com, something like that, and then change the styling and the color. And we are all set. So now you can either just preview everything. Let's try that right now. Let's click play.
Click on the orange button. Then click the color options. Once you have changed the color, click on Save.
Okay, so that was the main part of the demo, and this is the last screen for the call to action. And we can download this. So I'm going to click on download. You could choose your export type and the video quality. And once you are ready, you can export this into your computer. Now, every time you export, it does take from your video export credits. So 1 credit per export. Now, aside from downloading, you could also share the tour and the guide, okay? So if you click on share, you can publish this and you can copy this share link and share it with others, embed it. You can export this as a video or a GIF. Now let me show you how the tour page looks like. So this is the tour page. I added my own logo here, and you can also add your own custom domain to these pages as well. Okay, so let me click on Launch Tour, so you can have people take this interactive tour to learn your software just like this. Now another thing you can add to this tour is additional buttons, additional call to actions. Like you can add a button right here on this first page. Maybe you can say, start tour, and then for this button we can say download software, and then link to the software page. And you can even add a form as well to collect leads. So a really nice way to maybe sell more of your products and also grow your email list. And you can also add buttons to the last page as well. So a really great lead generation tactic. We can also enhance with AI as well. So you can do AI content. You can add your description of the recording, then click on apply. Okay, and then you could see the content changed. So it says, using ClickFunnels drag and drop editor, this guide provides step-by-step instructions on how to change the color of a button using the ClickFunnels drag and drop editor, so on and so forth. And aside from the text, you could do an AI voiceover as well. So again, you could change your voiceover to all of these different languages, and you could choose a specific sounding voice. And there's a handful of them you can choose from. Now keep in mind, the AI voiceovers also take credits, including the AI content as well. You can also organize your projects into various playlists and then share those playlists with others. So this is my how to use ClickFunnels playlist. I can edit it and add additional projects to this particular playlist. Just click on add projects. You can move the videos up and down, and then you can share this playlist. There's also the brand kit, so you can add your logo, favicon, and colors. So whenever you share your demos, your brand will appear. And then lastly, the settings. So depending on which tier you get, you can invite users to your account. So if you go to members, you can invite users by clicking on invite member. And for the plan and billing section, you can monitor your usage right here. And this is the custom domain section. So it's very easy to add a custom domain. Just add your subdomain right here. It could be any unique subdomain. And then you'll put your custom domain here, add the CNAME records. So this custom domain would be the one that you would share and display all of your projects with your customers and leads. So I'm going to add Layerpath in this Notion document. And if you want access to other AppSumo Black Friday deals, including other non-AppSumo Black Friday deals, you definitely want to claim this Notion spreadsheet. Click the link in my description and fill out the form. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. If you want to check out my other videos, click on any of the ones on the screen. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.